The Wonderblading Lip Stain Mask is my new favorite lip product. It's amazing. So let me show you what it is. It comes out and it looks like purple blue. And that's actually how it's gonna look on your lips. You leave it on there for 30 seconds to a minute and then you wipe it off and you get a beautiful tint. This is the color Sweetheart. Okay, so it's like a nice light pink. I'm gonna put it on and then we'll wipe it off and I'll show you what it looks like. Gonna let that dry. I'm trying not to talk. Okay, it's time. Now it says peel off, but I really think it's just a wipe off lip stain. Also, how crazy do your lips look? It reminds me of Halloween. Okay, this is just one of those disposable towels. I get it wet. And then you can already see, look at that color. Such a pretty tint. Now you'll see the purple pinkish color comes off on the wipe. And then what I like about it is that it's buildable. So this first one is that nice light tint. It's not overpowering. It's gonna stay a long time on your lips. It's vegan, it's cruelty-free, but if you wanna go darker, just do another mask, do another minute, and then you'll bring that tint up a little bit. I like it with just one tint, but if I wanna go a little darker, I'll go two. I think this is such an amazing lip stain, and I think you are going to love it as well.